Hey, what's up guys, it's me David back with another video, and welcome to the Red Death Editing PC build log. For the brain of the system, or CPU, we are using the octa-core Ryzen 7. Great CPU for editing. For our graphics workhorse, we are using the Titan X Maxwell, which will be epic in DaVinci Resolve. For our power supply, we are using this EVGA 750 watt B3. Another excellent power supply, 750 watts, more than what I would ever need. And it has black sleeved cables, which is awesome. Buying this over something else like a $50 power supply saves me $100 in cable mod cables, so this is great. For our motherboard, we are using the MSI B350 PC Mate. It has everything you could possibly need at a very good price tag. It's just a very nice motherboard to use, so yeah, I have literally no complaints with it. And here's the unboxing itself. Actually, it's not the unboxing, but whatever. So another thing is, it's just showing the features anyways. The RAM, Corsair Vengeance LED RAM. Really good looking RAM. Really good looking. It's got red LEDs. It's 16 gigs of it, and I've got them, and it's clocked at 3 gigahertz or 3000 megahertz. That is a heck of a fast RAM. And as you can see, it looks very beautiful. So, yeah, one thing is our SSD is a little bit not as good as we could have made it. I wanted the 850 EVO, but to save money, we got the Kingston A400. It's a lot thinner and better looking than that old hard drive. For our Wi-Fi, we're using the tp-linkarcher AC1300 PCIe Wi-Fi adapter. Really long name, but it's gonna be doing the job perfectly fine. And now for the overall specs. Ryzen 7 1700 with the Titan X, EVGA B350, Corsair 570X, RGB, Vengeance LED RAM, whatever, yeah. Opening the box right here, we have got some camera jerking, and we are taking the anti-static wrapping stuff off of the motherboard right now. This is one emotional experience for me to go through. It was a very emotional experience seeing the motherboard in real life. One thing is that the heat sinks for all the stuff felt kind of like cardboard, which is kind of like what the A400 SSD feels like. Curious. Now we're unboxing the CPU, one of the most incredible parts of building a PC. This hopefully kind of cinematic moment when you open up the system and you find the sticker inside of it. Nope, I mean the CPU. There is the race spire with LED RGB fans on it coming up, and we're taking it out of the box. It's a very good looking air cooler. It's the best air cooler I have ever seen. It's better than those tower coolers. And now we're taking the CPU out of this little packet thingy, and there's a sticker as well, which in the B-roll later on you will see the sticker put onto my case, which is the 570X from Corsair. There is some AMD instruction manuals for a CPU, but we don't need them. There is the sticker and the CPU. That cinematic moment when you open up the socket head hinge thingy and you try to plug it in. It's such a beautiful moment, guys. This is the best moment ever. And then we're installing the heatsink now, I believe. Heatsink is awesome. I will speed things up, so yeah. Speeding it up right now. Okay, we've basically just finished unscrewing this, and now we have to put on the CPU cooler. I skipped everything in that step because it was really hard and I didn't get a video of it. Now the RAM, we're installing the RAM right now. It's a very, very good looking RAM. Very good looking RAM. I love the RAM, and right now I have the actual computer sitting next to me and it looks so good. Now we're installing the Titan X. Oh man. It's this huge card, you know, it's a very large card. And I was installing it, and it's my first time installing a GPU. All my other computers were integrated graphics. And now we basically finished the installation on the motherboard process. Getting some B-roll of the progress right now, so hoping you enjoy it. And some jerky motions from the cameraman, that is me. Yeah, so again, the CPU cooler is very good looking. And so that's pretty much it, and now we're looking at the B-roll. The promised sticker installation onto the Corsair 570X. The reason I didn't show that part in the video was because I thought it would be kind of boring just watching a bunch of cable management. And as you can see, the fans and everything, they are very beautiful. Okay, there's this sports car kind of thing on the bottom. My camera wasn't able to pick that up. It's really cool. And then, this is how it looks in the dark. It's an absolute beauty of a computer. I have to say I'm pretty satisfied with the overall building process. It was good, you know, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want to see something else like this, click one of the buttons on the side. Thank you guys for watching.